single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Good morning, welcome to my channel, Daniel R in Dublin. Happy Friday everyone. I working today in the evening. In the morning I try to do all my things. How you can hear my laundry already. And I start day from the cold carrot juice, and that wasn't a good idea because now I'm freezing. But it's absolutely amazing. Guys, my plan for today. First I want to run to IKEA because I need more food containers, and that's the basic thing. I want to come back as soon as possible to don't be part of the traffic, and actually I have a quite far from place where I'm living right now to IKEA. That means I want to go as soon as possible. Second thing, I want to show you how I do carrots coriander soup, and we can do whole from IKEA and whole from food store. I just need few things. That will be very fast and busy morning for me, but I try to show you everything as soon as possible. I have my smoothie, cherry, cinnamon, banana. The carrots and apple juice is just the base, and it's not really, don't have enough strong taste to be like dominate with the drink. While cherry and cinnamon are like really strong, and the banana is just the thickness of this drink. Absolutely stunning. Very cold, but it's absolutely great. Okay, I'm ready to leave. I'm just not sure what to wear because it's really, I think it's 9 degrees outside. It's sunny, but it's cold. And I don't know, maybe just this one it's enough because it's quite warm. But I'm not sure, maybe I'm supposed to get some big hoodie, I don't know. This weather is the worst one if you don't know what to wear. Good morning, I'm in IKEA. It's early morning and I decide to wake up and run to IKEA because of no traffic to buy some glass container for my food, because I'm cooking a little more right now and I need separate the all food and have something for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, because it's easy for me, just grab and go. And I want glass, I don't want plastic, why I decide to run to IKEA. Now I have everything in my backpack and I can come back home. National Art Gallery right now. That was my favorite place for last good few years when I was in city center of Dublin. Place is stunning and always you can see something new, something special. I love it. Also it's O'Connor exhibition today, but everything is full booked and I cannot go to see there. Maybe next time. Wow, so amazing place. I was so lucky because was one group in front of me for the exhibition and I tried to buy the ticket but everything was booked and I don't know, someone from maybe from the gallery, they say okay, we have a group, you can go. I didn't even pay for entrance. That was so nice. Exhibition was absolutely amazing. I'm really impressed. Really good luck for today. I'm so happy because I wasn't in gallery for a long time and it's amazing as always, and I have this extra exhibition today. That's really cool. I wasn't in city center for quite long and today it's like just memory walk for me, but actually I'm so happy I'm not living in a city center anymore because so busy, so crowded, traffic, people everywhere. I prefer far away from the city center where I have a close to the beach and I have a lot of space. Wow, I forgot already how Dublin looked like. So crowded, so busy. But as always, National Art Gallery is super beautiful. Okay guys, we can start our shopping haul. We do two separate. First one, food haul. I was in a few places, not in one shop, because I want little better ingredients, and we have like small shops with the fruits and veg where you can buy very high quality stuff. Also I was in Tesco and I found one bag of carrot in my car as well. Okay, I have a broccoli. Yeah, that's the carrot. I don't know how long this carrot was in my car, but looks okay. I have a coriander for soup and for hummus. I have a hazelnut. Also I have some onion. I bought sesame sticks. I know they have a lot of salt. I know, because after one packet I feel like pump, but I like them. Sometimes you need stuff like that. And I have avocado. You see, I buying in the Tesco the big one, the big one. They have a completely different taste, like very creamy, if I can say like that. They are amazing. It's for my hummus, it's for the cocktail. I see another bag. This is sunflowers from Van Gogh. Super cool. And I was in a healthy shop to buy the shea butter. And now I show you what I just need some hazelnut. Now I'll show you what I bought in IKEA. My main thing was to go and buy the food containers, like this one, dirty one. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I can't sleep last night and I ate hummus with a celery stick at 2 o'clock in the night. Actually, I eat all container. Shame of me, but was so delicious, nothing's left. But now I want to do lots of hummus. I have it for another 3 days. Was phenomenal. And I love this container as well because they are glass. This small one, it's perfect like for 2 portion. For me, a big one perfect as a container for soup or bigger amount of food. Also, you can use this in microwave or in the oven. It's cool. I really like it. And I run there to buy some containers. You have a lids. They are the same for the small and big. That means it's fine. You can use them all the time. And that's the big one. You see with the lids, they are really cool. They keep this very strong. It's really nice. And you can see it's for dishwasher, for microwave, for freezing, for using the food. And this is made in Germany. And this is made in a glass in the Czech Republic, top in Germany. Perfect. And I have a big one and I have a small one. I just need to clean this really well because they are new. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect is this. What I'm looking for, and I like quality and I love the price because the big one is okay. Actually, I'm not sure. Big one is like €2.50 or maybe less, and small one is around €2. I think it's 1.75 or something. I'm not sure, but around €2. Okay, I bought 1, 2, 3, 4 large and 4 small. This one mostly for my hummus, like for the hummus, avocado hummus or hummus with some extra with the taste. And the large one will be for plain hummus and for my soups. I can have a portion. I can even freeze this, what will be easy to keep. And like this portion, it's enough for me for like 3 days. That means it will be perfect amount. Guys, that's my shopping from IKEA. Okay guys, time for carrot coriander soup. Very simple, very easy. We need for start 2 ingredients, and after we need just the water, curry and coriander. That's it. What we have? We have a carrot. I just chop carrots, whatever, just whatever size you like, because we need to bake this carrot until it will be really soft. I put some salt and pepper, and I put some oil, just a little bit. If I don't want this soup, if I want the soup without any fat, I just don't put oil. I don't put even salt and pepper. I just roasted them. That's it. And also we need onion. Like I have two small onions. You can whatever size, whatever chopped, doesn't matter. We need to cook this onion slowly with the water. This onion will be very soft, and after we blending everything, that means size doesn't really matter here. We have a water. We just need to put the onion to the water, carrot to the oven, and we waiting. Carrot need around half hour to be soft and nice. Onion some similar, I think 25-30 minutes. And when everything will be ready, we just need to mix and blend it. But I show you this one will be ready.